Hello my dear students. Welcome to this channel. And today's lesson is about simple English in the kitchen. We are going to learn some easy daily English for beginners. Before we start, let me ask you a question. What do you like to eat? You can write your answer in the comment section. Maybe one of your classmates can help you. Okay, now let's start our lesson. The first sentence is, could you pass me the salt? When someone says, could you pass me the salt? It means that they want you to take something and move it closer to them. In this case, they want you to pass or move the salt closer to them. We use could here because it's a polite way to make a request. We use please in this sentence. It's a very common expression when we want to be polite. We often say please before making a request, so the other person will feel respected. For example, you can say, could you please pass me the salt? Could you please open the window? Could you please give me a hand? The next sentence is, I'd like some sugar in my tea, please. When we want to ask someone to do something for us, we can use the expression would like plus the base form of the verb. This is another polite way to make requests. With this structure, we are being polite, but we are not making a command. For example, I'd like some sugar in my tea. I'd like some milk in my coffee. I'd like you to pass the potatoes. I'd like you to turn off the TV. Now, can you heat up my food, please? In this sentence, the word heat is followed by the particle up. The particle up is used to describe an action that happens in an opposite direction. For example, if the food is cold, we use heat up to make it hot. If the water is too hot, we use cool down to make it cold. If someone is angry, we say calm down to tell them to stop being angry. The next sentence is, I need some butter for the cake. The word need is used to talk about things that are necessary. For example, we can say, I need some butter for the cake. I need a book to read. I need your help. But we cannot say, I need some sugar in my tea. Because we don't need sugar, we just want it. So if we want to talk about things that we want, we can use would like. I'd like some sugar in my tea. Now, where is the fridge? This is a question that we use to ask about the location of something. The word fridge is a noun, and it's the thing that we use to keep food fresh. It's also called a refrigerator. We use where is to ask about the location of something. For example, where is the fridge? Where is the bathroom? Where is the nearest restaurant? And the last sentence is, I'm going to make a sandwich. The word make is used to talk about the act of creating or producing something. For example, I'm going to make a sandwich. She's going to make a cake. They're going to make some soup. Now let us have a look at the structure. Am going to plus the base form of the verb. This is the future simple tense. This tense is used to talk about something that will happen in the future. For example, I'm going to make a sandwich. I'm going to study tomorrow. I'm going to visit my friend. That's all for today. See you next time.